Hi there. Check out the Bextile 14-piece outdoor patio cushion covers, perfect for refreshing your outdoor furniture. These covers include 6 seat cushions, 6 long back pillows, and 2 short back pillows, all designed to fit snugly. Made from water-resistant material, they protect your cushions from rain and sun damage. The covers feature secure straps and a non-slip bottom to keep them in place on your patio furniture. Plus, the zippers make them easy to remove and machine or hand wash whenever needed. Remember to measure your cushions carefully before buying, as these are covers only, without the inner cores. Upgrade your outdoor seating with these durable, functional cushion covers today. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.